Hi and welcome to another installment of Learning Excel. You remember in the last few videos we've been looking at the sum function and we've been using movie tickets as an example. In today's video I want to introduce the if function, and the if function is very similar to talking to children, for instance. If you do your homework, then you can have dessert. It's literally just saying to Excel, if this is true, then we do something else. If not, we do a different thing. So all we're doing is once again telling Excel what we want the result to be. Now, what I've done here is I've added in the threshold of tickets that the sales people should have been selling. And I've said that, okay, everyone should have been selling 21 tickets for the adult tickets and 10 of the concession tickets. And that might be to get their bonus or their additional commissions or something along those lines. So we're going to use that as the base number of tickets that should have been sold to get to the next bonus level, for instance. So what we want to say to Excel is, we're going to have a look at Adam's tickets and we're going to say, did Adam sell more than 21 adult tickets? Now, eyeballing it, we can say instantly, yes, he sold 22. So he goes into the next bonus commission level or whatever that result is. But if we had 100 sellers, you wouldn't want to do that one by one. So what we're going to do is actually put a formula in that asks the question, has Adam reached more than 21 adult tickets? And if so, let's say yes. Or if not, we say no. So we start with a simple formula. It's equals if, open bracket. So what we're looking for, as you can see, it's a logical test. So if the number of adult tickets that Adam sold, once again, we can click on the cell so that we include it into the formula. So D7. If D7 is greater than 21, which is the adult tickets, and remember, similar to the adult ticket price, we actually want to fix the row and column value I16. So we want to have $I, $16. That locks that in because we're actually going to fill the formula the whole way down for all sellers. So we've said so far, if Adam's adult tickets, 22, is greater than I16, we then put a comma in as the next part of the formula. What is the value if that is true? And we actually want the result to be a yes if it's true. Now to return a text value, you need to use quotes. So it's quote yes. And then we put another comma in to say, okay, we've got the value if true. Now, what is the value if it is false? Once again, we put our quotes in and we know that the value of false will be no. And quotes again. Close the bracket off and press enter. Adam has more than 21 tickets sold for the adults. So running through that again, we've got if D7, if Adam's adult ticket sales are greater than symbol, I16 with dollar signs so that we're fixing 21 adult tickets, comma, what is the answer if it is true? The answer is yes. Comma, what is the answer if it's not true? No. Don't forget your quote marks and close bracket. So that now provides us with a confirmation that Adam did indeed reach the threshold for sales of tickets. Let's drag this down for all the salespeople for the adult tickets. We can instantly see Jade, Elizabeth and Catherine all sold more than 21 tickets. And we can eyeball it at 6 salespeople, 23, 28, 32 and 22 are all greater than 21. So clearly that is correct. Once again, if you had 100 salespeople, you wouldn't want to do it one by one. All right, so we've got the answers for the yes tickets, for the adult tickets. For the concession tickets, we do the same. We start with the formula, equals if, open bracket. And we want to have a look at the number of concession tickets that Adam sold, and it's E7. So we click on E7 and we're saying, is the number of Adam's concession tickets greater than concession ticket threshold of 10? Click on I17, apologies. And a quick way of putting in those dollar signs before the row and column numbers is to press the F4 button whilst you've just clicked on it. Straight away you can see that the dollar signs just come up. The value, so comma, and what is the value of true? We're saying quotes yes, quotes, comma, what is the value of false? Quotes no, quote, and close bracket. We can instantly see Adam only sold 9 concession tickets and the threshold is 10, so he did not meet the threshold. We can then drag that down all the way to Catherine, and we can see only Jade and Elizabeth met the threshold of at least 10 tickets. You can also see here Catherine sold 10 tickets. She'll come up as no, because the threshold is a minimum of 10 tickets. They need to sell more than 10 tickets, and that is why the formula is greater than the number of tickets. So what this now tells us is it's given us some brief data into saying 4 of our 6 salespeople met the threshold for the adult tickets, but only 2 of our salespeople met the concessions tickets. And Elizabeth was the only one who exceeded in the adult and the concession ticket sales. So that's the if formula. I wanted to introduce that now because we can integrate the if formula into the sum formula, and there are a number of excellent formulas we can use using that if formula, and it opens up the basis of so many other formulas that you can use to calculate data and also do some error handling if errors are determined. Thanks for watching again. Look out for the next video. Thanks.